These are the Amazon nightstands, and yes, you do get 2 of them. Very budget friendly, easy to put together. Came in the box, very heavy box, delivered right to our house. But I'll show you some footage of my 10-year-old and 12-year-old putting these together. So if you're at all concerned about will I be able to put these together in a dorm or an apartment, yes, you can do it because my kids did it. And the only thing you need is a screwdriver. And guess what? It came with the screwdriver. So in the box is everything you need to put these things together. It took them about, I don't know, what did it take, a half hour, 40 minutes to put both of them together. And they were following the instructions. Comes with pretty decent instructions. These are them. Each one has a drawer. The drawer comes out, and it doesn't just, some drawers just like come flying out. It's got a little stop in there that's a plastic little nub thing. So pretty well designed, easy to use. They are about 2 feet high. They are about 16 inches across, and they are about 1 foot out. And each one can go on the side of your bed. Would be that 2 foot is about perfect for any bed you're going to be on. Right at 2 feet there, a little below 2 feet. Has a big spacious area down here. Has the drawers for you to put things in. If you're thinking about them, I don't know why you wouldn't get them. Pretty sturdy, easy to put together. The legs are metal. This happens, of course, to be the black. Comes in a couple different colors. We got the black because we have dark furniture in the different rooms. We're going to put each one in 2 different rooms, but of course they're made as a set, exactly the same, so they could go on either side of a bed and look good. I'm going to recommend these things. Easy to put together, very budget friendly. You do get both of them. Get one in the link of the description below this video. Peace out.